today's video,
we are going to show you 4 chalkboard DIYs.
But before we get started,
please give this video a huge thumbs up and please subscribe by clicking that box down below. Our goal is to get to 40 subscribers by July or the second year of Arthollywood.
So let's get right into the video. So the first DIY is a chalkboard clipboard. This is kind of similar to our painted clipboard except you use chalkboard paint. The materials you'll need is a clipboard, some chalkboard paint, a paintbrush, and of course some chalk.
The first step is to put some tape wherever you want on the clipboard. And then you can paint with chalkboard paint in the tape. And then you're done. The next DIY is a chalkboard mason jar. The materials you will need are a mason jar, chalkboard paint, a paintbrush, chalk.
The first step is to take your mason jar and start painting with the chalkboard paint all over the mason jar. You can do as many layers as you like. The next DIY is a chalkboard cover of a notebook. The materials you'll need is a notebook. We have this tiny metallic one, some tape, a paintbrush, and some chalkboard paint. You will also need some chalk.
The first step is to make some outlines with the tape. Then start painting inside the lines with the chalkboard paint. Finally, you can write whatever you like on the chalkboard part.
Video a huge thumbs up
and please subscribe by clicking that box down below. We really want to get to 40 subscribers by July or the second year of Arthollywood, so please subscribe
and thanks for watching.